Hey credit cousins, we are in the midst of a digital revolution, and yes, you could be entitled to a piece of the pie. This is not a drill, people. This is real, this is happening, and this is your chance to claim what's rightfully yours.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Welcome back to the Designer Soapbox channel, where we'll bring you the most shocking, the most unbelievable, and the most jaw-dropping stories from the world of tech and finance. Now let's dive right into the heart of the matter. Facebook, or should I say Meta, the tech giant that has been part of our lives for over a decade, has been hit with a massive $725 million lawsuit. Yes, you heard that right, $725 million. And guess what? You could be eligible for a piece of that settlement. Now, the violations occurred between May 2007 and December 2022. Meta signed the settlement back in December 2022 for its role in sharing its user data with Cambridge Analytica. This is actually one of their largest class action settlement of its kind, according to Keller Robart, the law firm that brought the class action lawsuit. But wait, there's more. The Cambridge Analytica scandal cost Meta, Facebook parent company, nearly $5.9 billion. Beyond the $725 million settlement, the company paid a record $5 billion settlement to the Federal Trade Commission, alongside a further $100 million to the Security and Exchange Commission. This is a scandal of epic proportion, folks. Now, you might be wondering, how do I get my share of this settlement? Well, it's simple. All you have to do is click the link in the description or pinned comments to get your piece of the pie. Now, it does say here, I have it pulled up for more information about you entering this claim. If you're a Facebook user and have been active on the platform between May 2007 and December 2022 while living in the United States, you're eligible to make a claim. Now, to do this, you'll simply head over to Facebook userprivacysettlement.com. Now, this is a real website. I will actually have this website here on the screen showing you the actual website, so you don't actually fall into a fake website or a website that is going to be asking you for phishing information. Make sure you actually click the link in the description box to go to the right website, okay? And on this site, you'll need to provide your name, address, and email address and confirm the period during which you've used your Facebook. Just remember that this deadline is August 25th, so you have about 26 days. Just remember that deadline is coming soon, okay? However, they have not decided on the specifics of individual settlement payments, and they're not yet set in stone. The final payment amount will be influenced by the total number of users and the duration of which each claimant maintain their Facebook account. So while you're certainly eligible to stake your claim, the exact sum you may receive remains to be undetermined, okay? But here's the catch, folks. You have until August 25th, 2023 to enter a claim. That's right, the clock is ticking and time is running out. So if you were a Facebook user in the United States between May 24th, 2007 and December 22nd, 2022, you may be eligible for a cash payment for this class action settlement. So what are you waiting for? This is your chance to claim what's rightfully yours. But remember, the clock is ticking and time waits on no one. So get moving and claim your share of the settlement today. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for Designer Soapbox channel for more shocking, unbelievable, and jaw-dropping stories from the world of tech and finance. Until then, stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay on top of your game, credit cousins. See you until next time. Bye.